Welcome back to ASP.NET Core Full Stack Development Projects. In this section, we are going to be creating the front end of our music store application with ASP.NET Core, MVC, and Vue.js. So our first question might be, what is Vue.js? That we're going to find right over in Vue.js.org, and we're just going to look at the introduction. And we're going to be doing this in the newest rendition of Vue.js, which is Vue.js 2.0. Vue. It is a progressive framework for building user interfaces. Unlike other frameworks, Vue is designed from the ground up to be incrementally adoptable. It's focused on the Vue layer only, and it's easy to pick up, but it's perfectly capable of powering sophisticated single-page applications. We're probably going to start with what is the Vue CLI. There are several different options, and the reason we're going to go with the Vue CLI, even though they say we do not recommend it, just simply because we're all been using Node.js build tools so far. So we're going to stick with our Node.js build tools. Alright, so let's look at our installation. So you can do a direct script include, just basically right at the top, just like an HTML with this at the top, that then you build it from there. But we're going to use, so we're just going to go ahead and npm install Vue right inside. And that's going to be the steps we will take. So that is our quick introduction. Supposed to be very, very simple to use, very easy and straightforward to use in comparison. Sometimes even like Angular especially, I think Vue might come closer to reminding us of React